ZANU-PF is not a political party. It is a violent terrorist syndicate that has hijacked our nation and enslaved its people. For decades, we have tried the peaceful way. We have voted, we have marched, we have begged, we have died, and still the chains grow tighter. Sanabena mashoko anobuda kwachinzi the ballot has failed. It's time to rise. Mashoko anobuda nyuko panapa risai masimba ayo anonyasoradza kuti panguva ino ari kuti maZimbabweans, it is time to wake up from the long sleep of political illusion. It was subscribe or like on the bell icon. Every election is a performance, a lie, a trap. They kill, they torture, they rig, they smile before cameras claiming victory. This is not democracy. It is dictatorship in a designer suit. Dictatorship approved by AU, silence, and Sadc cowardice. Let's stop deceiving ourselves. We are under occupation, internal colonialism. Our grandparents picked up arms against white Rhodesians because they knew submission is death. So why are we kneeling before black oppressors who are even worse? Why are we begging murderers to reform? Why are we voting in a war? Elections will never remove ZANU-PF. Write it on every wall. Shout it in every street. If change could come through the ballot, they would have banned voting. It is time we speak. The only language that oppressors understand: resistance. Not hashtags, not tears, not speeches, not action. Organization, armed defiance is necessary. This is not a call for violence. This is a call to revolutionary self-defense, a call to liberate our land from bandits. No one is coming to save us, not Sadc, not the West, not the UN. It's us or no one. We are more than them. We are braver than them. We are owners of this land. And if they won't leave power peacefully, then they must be removed forcefully. Enough waiting, enough praying to false prophets, enough fear. Organize, mobilize, radicalize. The revolution must ignite. The time is now. Tomashiko anobuda chinyoro panguva ino. Tudze mafungiro enyu muri kudi pamusoro pechitiko ichi. Ndakomesa kuchemedza mafungiro enyu. Subscribe or like, chat on the bell icon.